guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a whole entire makeup tutorial. So it's going to be like no pausing, nothing like that. And so there's probably going to be a few parts, maybe a part, but it's going to be a part 2, and then maybe even a part 3. Also, we're planning on doing this pink and yellow makeup theme. It's a little messy, but we're planning on kind of doing that. Okay, you know? So, also, if you guys see my other drawings, it's just that I just don't know what to draw, so I just draw random things. So, yeah. Okay, so now let's put our hair clips in. This is gonna be probably a series, not series, but like, probably gonna be a little long, so it's probably gonna be a few videos out. Well, it is gonna be a few videos out, but okay. And now it's time for primer. I'm using this Inglot primer from BJ Bay, it looks like. And you squeeze the product in here. I should probably get my mirror, because I do not have it, and I kind of need it. Okay. Okay, and just put more over here, and there. Let's see if that's enough. I think so. So, let me close that. Okay. Just blend it around. Just remember, you can use your hands, you can use anything. So, that's that. My face is so red. Oh my god. It's honestly not that red off camera. Okay, now it's foundation, and I'm having trouble getting the right color, because before it's always too dark or it's just orangey too much. So that's why I mix, but sometimes when I mix it doesn't help. So don't really know what to do. That's that. It's a little dark, but if I add like this lighter one, it doesn't really help. But we're just gonna add a little bit and see how it goes. Okay. Then we're gonna get my brush, if I can find it. Okay. It's kind of like my mixer foundation brush. And then just mix. Okay. And see. It's dark, but it's not that dark. We're just gonna see how it works when we blend it, because sometimes it does get lighter. We're also gonna be using a sponge to get less product, so it won't be as dark, if it is dark. So, oh yeah, this is way better. Before I was using my other foundation with the lighter one, and it didn't really work out that well. It's definitely not the greatest color, but it does work. And then just blend it on your ears. But first I have to finish covering my face. Okay. And then go into my ear. Also, when you are applying foundation, you should always dab, because it does help a lot. Okay. Also, but Well, the only thing about this foundation is it kind of like sets in place right away. Not like right away, but it's very, like, not, it's just matte, so it kind of just like stays when it's there. I don't know if that makes sense at all, but this section, this part is just gonna be me doing my foundation, my concealer. Right now I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. And so, and also when I do my eyebrows, you guys are gonna see more and actually how I do it. I do show you how I do it, but I'm gonna be showing you even more. It's gonna be even longer of me doing it. So this part, part one, it's probably gonna be very, very, very boring. So you don't need to watch this one. It's not that important. The foundation, the eyeshadow is probably gonna start in part 2. So it might be uploaded by then when this is uploaded. But or when you guys see this. And also it's okay if you've actually like do that. It's okay, but you shouldn't. But I do, so by accident. I don't know if it's just me, but I take so long applying foundation because I just do. I don't know why. I'm also using a sponge because I got more products and I have extra. I don't know what to do with it exactly. So we're kind of just finding places to put it, but not making it too much. Kind of just put this on, just put it, let's put it right on my cheek, I guess. But my lips, oh, we should probably put on chapstick. This is definitely gonna be a boring video. Okay. So today we're gonna be doing a pink lemonade look. This is also pink lemonade. And my lip balm is. Anyway, so like we're gonna do like a pink lemonade look, so it's gonna be pink. Then I have some yellow. I just love those colors together. I don't know if it's just me. Oh, I did not do good at blending on my eyes. Because I did not see him when I was doing everything on my phone. Don't know why. Oh, that's a lot. Right there. That's bad. I put my concealer a lot of places because I always want to lighten up some parts. And also sometimes I get darker foundation. And so I kind of just like making it lighter, and it makes it really pretty. I enjoy it. Also, it's more makeup. Takes longer. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Also, I might do like some voiceovers again, but I'm not sure because I could repeat it. I don't have to, you know. Yeah, because I could do that. And it'd be easier for me and maybe you guys to understand me more. Because I actually talk slower when I have a voiceover. But I'm not sure. I don't really care. So it's just kind of like fun because I get extra time. Because I like editing, well, doing voiceovers. What? Okay. Yay, I did it. I'm just gonna use foundation over there. It's time for eyebrows. Let's put this over there too. So my eyebrows part is gonna be kind of interesting. Not really. Okay, where's my other brush? I'm gonna lose it. Oh god. I think I lose my curler brush. Nope, I found it. Right when I said that. Okay. My eyebrows like look so weird with this foundation. It's like it looks so sad. I don't know. Now it's time for our eyebrows. And also, when we do eyeshadow, we're not going to do eyeliner. Because that's going to take us forever, and I don't want you guys just me, like, because I don't talk with my eyeliner. Also, I don't really want to, because my little makeup book doesn't show eyeliner. Because I don't want to do eyeliner today. Because I always mess up. Usually, I mess up. So, just that. Also, when I do talk, I talk very fast, and then I just keep on talking. So then I just stop. I can't, like, it's hard. Sometimes it's hard for me to do stuff at the same time. Okay, because I just keep on talking. So, just gonna warn you. Okay. Also, keep looking at the camera just to see how it looks, because sometimes it's different how it looks on camera. And then I have another mirror right here. So, look up there. Okay. We're almost done. Our eyebrows are very short. Well, it's a very short process. I don't know why I was so excited to do it. It's really boring. We don't even use concealer because we don't really. Because I just don't outline my eyebrows. Because I don't really know how, and I don't really have the correct products, really. So I just don't do it. It's interesting. Not really. We actually might be able to start a little bit of our eyeshadow. Yay. But I don't know if I should, because like I think it would be kind of like fun to do my eyeshadow in another video. That can be a lot of my eyeshadow, so I could have longer. Just start a little bit, okay? Wait a little bit. And okay, so that's upside down. The first brush we need is we're just gonna use this one because we use this a lot. And also, okay, actually, we're just gonna explain what we're gonna be using. So we're gonna be using my Bright palette, and we're gonna probably be using my Make Them Wink 22. Okay, I'm doing it on my shoulder. So 22. Make Them Wink right there. And then probably for the yellow, we're going to be using these two, because this is not really a good color. It's bad, horrible yellow. But I might try. But that's it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this foundation, concealer, eyebrow thing. And we're gonna be coming out with a part 2, obviously, because we already started. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe, turn those notifications. You guys can even comment what you guys want, because no one comments and like commenting, but you don't need to. I'm just like bored a lot of times. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and goodbye.